Mr. Saran Singh Sapra, initially the Congress, you said that there were sporadic rallies that Mr. Rahul Gandhi did. We all saw that. It was in Punjab. But we did not see the Congress raising the voice all across the country. It was little apprehensive as far as this entire agitation goes. Was it because of the fact that the letters that the government is now throwing in the face of the opposition, that you were also during the UPA regime wanting to bring in these reforms, which the government says is very important to unshackle the farmers from the middlemen and give them better option?
See, Ankit, first of all, I would like to remind you that Congress had organized, and I'm sorry to say that national channel should not turn a blind eye towards the protest which were organized in Kolhapur, in Satara, Sangli, Pune, in Maharashtra, then Gujarat, then Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh. I feel that your regional channels must have covered. You can see, you can look after that. Whereas today, what the farmer is demanding, he is not demanding Khalistan. He is warning the government that India should not turn into Afghanistan or Adanistan. Today, there is a tremendous trust deficit. There is a trust deficit. These farmers, they don't believe in this government. They know that this government has been telling lie
I
again
get that,
and again.
but I want a straight answer on the similar reforms that the UPA regime wanted to bring. What is this change of heart? I mean, all of us do understand that the way the farming is being done right now, there needs to be certain changes made. When you were in power, if you wanted to bring similar changes as far as the agriculture is concerned, why is it that right now the Congress is standing in opposition?
See, let me tell you very clearly that Congress was never opposed to any agri reforms. While we wanted agri reforms, but we never wanted to bring in a form of ordinance. We never wanted to keep the stakeholders out. We never said that we'll be bringing this in a form of ordinance in midst of a pandemic. We'll not consult the stakeholders. These were not the issue which Congress wanted to do. But unfortunately, this current dispensation has done that. And when you are talking about this, let me also remind you of the statements of Arun Jaitley and Sushma Swaraj. They had strongly advocated about MSP and also about APMC. Arun Jaitley went ahead and spoke about the European countries and US contribution, $400 million for the subsidy for farmers. Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2011, when he was the chairperson of that committee, Corporate Affairs Committee, he himself advocated MSP. He wanted MSP to be mandatory, and he also wanted to protect APMC. He wanted fast-track courts. He wanted the essential commodities to be excluded from the future trading.
And I will take that to Sardar RP Singh, because right now